leaving Meaher State Park, heading to
the Battleship Alabama Museum, which is the battleship, and there's also
west for 5 miles.
a submarine and a warehouse of airplanes.
Woohoo!
So that's what we're going to see, the USS Alabama, which is docked in Alabama Automobile Bay.
And you actually get to tour the ship.
Yeah, a lot of stairs, a lot of walking.
And coming up is the battleship. You can see it right straight ahead. It's another restaurant. So if you want to go dine on the water, a lot of places here to do that. A lot of boat ramps. Here we go. USS Alabama Memorial Park. Fallen Heroes, Vietnam and Korean Veterans Memorial. Now, sadly, we are not going to be able to show you any of the pictures that we took inside the submarine or the battleship because it is against their rules there. You have to apply for a permit. Now, that is inside the battleship, inside the submarine, and inside the museum area after you pay and go inside. Filming is permitted and taking photos, and you can post them on social media outside. So all the pictures we took are from the outside, as we were told we could do, but just know that inside they do not want those pictures posted on social media unless you apply for their permit through their marketing department. And of course you have to do that in advance. We're just showing you the outside, but just know it is so much fun inside there. And enjoy look at the outside and hearing about the battleship and the submarine. And the submarine's right over there.
You can actually walk inside the submarine from stem to stern and see what it's like to be in one of those little tubes. Very, yeah, it really is.
It's amazing what all they have inside such a small space and how functional it is.
And now the battleship is the museum itself is the battleship, because they call it a museum. Now you can go onto the battleship, and they have 3 different tours on the battleship. They got the deck and the bridge. It's like the yellow tour. Then they break the boat up into 2 pieces for below decks, into the red tour and the green tour. And they're very well marked with numbers once you get down in there.
And they're self-guided.
Yes.
They give you a little flyer and you go around it.
Now you do walk upstairs, and I think there was 8 flights of stairs.
And the higher you get, the steeper they get. So you start off kind of like this, and then by the end, you're almost climbing straight up ladders.
Yeah.
So
now when I say stairs, we're not talking like 50
they're like
stairs.
ladders.
They're like little ladders, like maybe 10 steps to get, to go up to the next level. So you do have some stairs to go up and then back down again. And then once you do that bridge part, look at the guns, go inside the battery, and then you can go tour it below, see what everything was like below. The 2 sections where they slept, the ice cream parlors, the kitchens, munitions, all the little rooms.
All the things you don't think of that was
post
there.
office,
It's like a little house on a big town.
Dentist place, medical place, that's all below. And I believe it's $18 and $15 for seniors. Active military is free. If you're a vet, you still have to pay. And that's, like I said, right up the street, like 10 minutes from here, and you're there, and you can spend hours there. We spent a little over 3 hours.
Yeah, there. And just be prepared to crawl through some, like the doors are very small. Yeah, watch your head, because a lot of the padding that was once there, you can see where it was, isn't there. So, and then a lot of times it is. So
just watch where you step and watch where you stand up at.
It's a lot of fun.
It is.
It's really cool. I've never been on a boat like that. So on a battleship. It's my first time.
Yes. Well, it's my first time ever being on a battleship.
Or a submarine. So really cool.
So anyway, that's our battleship thing that we went to, and we really enjoyed it. On the way back, we actually stopped at a restaurant, got some late lunch. seafood, and that was really good. I don't remember the name of the restaurant. Do you?
Gosh,
it's on the right, headed back. That's all I know.
Yeah, it is.
It's a really cool old building. It's like way up in the
I'll
air.
put the name right here. It was fish camp. It was a fish camp.
Fish camp restaurant?
No, it was some type of fish camp restaurant. Anyway, there are a lot of restaurants here along the water, so where you can go up and sit and overlook the bay here. It's really nice.
That was a good restaurant, good food and all that. So there's, like I said, there's lots of places to eat out if you like to eat out around here. And you don't even have to go all the way into town. You can just go up toward the battleship.
They're within a mile probably of here, would you say?
Yeah,
not far at all. And the prices were reasonable. So if you decide to stay at Meaher State Park, you can make your reservations up to a year in advance, and this park tends to book up, so you might want to book early. We wanted to stay here on the way out when we were heading west, and it was booked up. So we stayed at the Fountain Blue instead, and I was kind of happy with that one, right?
Yeah, that was a nice park too.
Yeah.
Fountain Blue is nice.
Yeah, so that's a Louisiana State Park.
Wherever you
You
stick
can
it.
check it out right here. No, it goes one spot. It's right here.
Is it?
Right, they do have discounts. They offer a small discount for senior citizens, 62 and older, and military and state employees, and there's one other one. But anyway, you can go on the website and look. They do charge slightly more, I believe, on the weekend, but all in all, it is well worth the price, and to have sewer, it's been amazing.
Yes,
right?
It's been very nice staying here. So follow us on our journey, click like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Hope to see you on the road someday.
Say hello, and if you want to see what we're doing more frequently than on these videos, pop over to Facebook and join us there. We share a lot of what we're doing today type things.
Yes, and to all the people we met at this park, hey,
yes, we met so many people.
Yes.
We enjoyed meeting you all and talking to you, and we always enjoy meeting campers along the way. We've met a lot of campers these past few weeks, haven't we? Yeah.
That being said, take care, people.
Safe travels.
Bye-bye.
Bye.